What's up, guys?
Hello, we are back with another video. So as y'all know, we're back with another DIY. This time, this DIY was inspired by a YouTuber that I have grown to love. Her name is Araceli Chan DIY. That's the name of her channel. I'm going to show y'all. This is her. Her channel is really awesome. So y'all check it out. And I'm having stuff linked in the video and the DIY that we're getting from her. And so this is going to be a really simple, easy one, I hope. She made it look so easy, so I'm hoping it's going to be easy for us. But we're making a sign of my future last name and his current last name. So it's going to be a rustic glam sign that says Rogers, and the materials we use. So first we went to Home Depot and we got two of their, I don't know if these are yard sticks or,
I want to say they were.
Two of their sticks, but anyway, I had to cut them. These are only 98 cents a piece at Home Depot.
Mom,
but
where's the yard sticks? What those yard sticks?
this is not, it's a stick. Go to Home Depot and make a 98 cent stick. So we got two of these.
Sticks. Yeah, 2 yard sticks.
And then we got two of their paint sticks.
Yeah.
For the sides. And then we got a foam board. The thick ones from Dollar Tree.
We got some paint. Some navy blue paint.
Y'all know our favorite paint from Walmart's 50-cent paint by Apple Barrel.
Yeah, Apple Barrel.
And you also need, you may already have these items in your home, glue sticks and a glue gun. And you'll see what all this is used for. Let me get started.
What's her name again?
Araceli Chan.
I think she used black paint on hers.
She did, and we bought black paint because we wanted to do exactly like hers, but then we realized our home decor is more navy blue and white and gray, so we bought navy blue paint instead. So we're gonna see if it turns out the same. But here we go.
We'll be back. As you always say.
We'll be back. Okay, y'all. So we're back.
Can't find a paintbrush. Any paintbrushes at all, and we're not going back to Walmart.
Yeah.
We've been about 5 times.
We done been 20 times to Walmart for this one project, and I'm getting annoyed. So we just have to work with what I got. I cut up a Mr. Clean pad, and I found this one ragged paintbrush, so we're gonna make it work. But the thing is, you're just painting the sticks the color that you want them. I want to do this first because I want them to. They're gonna take the longest to dry. So the sticks are drying. Let me take them over here to y'all. That's the first coat. We're gonna go back in with the second coat. So while they're drying, we're gonna make the effect that we want on the board. We're gonna take the board and we're basically gonna make it look like wood with one of the effects that she did on her channel. So all we need is paper towel and paint. But she just took the corner of the paper towel, dipped it in some paint. And she first started at the top and kind of just dragged it. She made it look easier. Maybe I'm putting too much paint. Key is not a lot of paint on paper towel. So, and then dab it off on another plate. And then once you get all what you want on the edge, then she drags it across the board. go in with a little bit of white paint. So I'm going in with the white paint to make some of the really dark blue spots look more faint. Definitely go over to her channel and see how she did it. Cause yeah, she did it in like 10 seconds it looked like. It made it look so easy. And it turned out so good. Okay y'all, so I do not profess to be a calligraphist, cannot do it, but I'm gonna attempt to write Rogers on here. And we're gonna see how this goes. We're gonna take the hot glue gun and glue it on the very edge of the stick. You can either buy a cheap frame from Dollar Tree and take the little hook off the back and glue it to the back of this, or you can just tweak some string and put it on each side and then hook it from there. Okay, so I got one of the little hook thingies that you see on the back of a picture frame, and we're just gonna hot glue it on the back. And now you can hang it on your wall.
This should be out of cover photo.
Okay, thumbnail.
Cheers.
Okay guys, that concludes our lovely DIY. It turned out so good.
Oh yes.
My calligraphy turned out good too.
I'm telling you, like from our last video, you turned up on this, so you know you got it.
I'm really excited. I think it's gonna look really great in our house, and it turned out good. So don't forget to like, comment, take 2 seconds, and subscribe. Come join the family. Don't forget to go check out Araceli Chan's DIY channel. She's really amazing. There we go. She's really amazing. So yes, be sure to check her out. Let her know we sent you, and y'all can come from her too. 1, 2, 3.